Hello, my dear friends. Our moods change every day, sometimes even every hour. The English language has many colorful idioms that describe emotions in fun and vivid ways. Today, I'll share with you 5 fascinating idioms about moods. We'll explore their origins and see how to use them in real life. Let's begin. The first idiom, under the weather. This idiom comes from the world of sailors. When a sailor felt seasick, he was sent below deck, literally under the weather, away from the harsh wind and waves. Over time, the phrase came to mean feeling unwell in general, not only at sea. Examples: I couldn't join the party yesterday. I was feeling under the weather. She looks a bit under the weather today. Maybe she should rest. After a long flight, he was under the weather for 2 days. Being under the weather means being sick or tired. But what if your mood is the complete opposite, full of joy? That brings us to the next idiom. The second idiom, on cloud 9. In the 1950s, the United States Weather Bureau classified different types of clouds. Cloud number 9 was the highest, fluffiest one, symbolizing extreme happiness. That's how the expression on cloud 9 was born. Examples: when she got accepted to university, she was on cloud 9. He felt on cloud 9 after his team won the championship. Getting that new job left her on cloud 9 for weeks. Being on cloud 9 means being extremely happy. Sometimes life can be tough and make you feel blue, which brings us to the next idiom. The third idiom, keep your chin up. This phrase became popular in the late 19th century. Soldiers and workers were told to keep their chin up as a sign of strength and optimism, even during hard times. It meant, don't look down, don't give up. Examples: I know you failed the test, but keep your chin up. Even after losing, the players tried to keep their chins up. She told her friend to keep her chin up during tough days. Keep your chin up means to stay optimistic and positive, especially during difficult situations. The fourth idiom, hot under the collar. This idiom comes from the early 20th century. When someone was angry, their face and neck would get hot and red, especially around the collar. So being hot under the collar meant feeling very irritated. Examples: he got hot under the collar when someone cut in line. Don't get hot under the collar, it's just a small mistake. She became hot under the collar after reading the rude comment. Being hot under the collar means getting angry or annoyed. And finally, let's look at an idiom that means the opposite. The fifth idiom, in high spirits. This idiom dates back to the Middle Ages, when spirits referred to a person's soul or inner energy. Being in high spirits meant that your soul was lifted, joyful, and full of energy. Examples: the students were in high spirits after the exam ended. He was in high spirits during the holiday season. Despite the rain, the crowd stayed in high spirits. And there you have it, 5 wonderful idioms about moods, each with a rich story and colorful examples. Dear friends, what's your favorite idiom? Write it in the comments. Thank you for watching, and stay in high spirits.